Welcome back to Ultra Prime Selections Inc., www.ultraprimeselectionsinc.com, your trusted source for top-tier survival gear, essential supplies, and expert advice. With the state of the world today, tensions rising globally and disasters looming on every horizon, the question isn't if you'll need to prepare, it's when. I'm here to share how I spent $20,000 preparing for World War III and other disasters, so you can decide how to protect yourself and your loved ones. The first step in disaster preparedness is planning. Let's break down exactly where the money went. Food supplies, water purification, shelter, power, medical needs, communication tools, and self-defense. Every dollar was allocated with logic and survival in mind. Food storage took up $5,000 of the budget. Why? Because food shortages can happen in war zones, during natural disasters, or in economic collapses. Freeze-dried meals, canned goods, and long-lasting grains are my go-to choices. These can last up to 25 years and are easy to prepare. I prioritized high-calorie, nutrient-dense foods like rice, beans, and pasta to keep energy levels up during stressful times. Water is even more critical than food. I allocated $2,500 for water purification systems, storage tanks, and filtration devices. From gravity-fed filters to portable options like life straws, I've ensured access to clean water, no matter the situation. Dehydration kills faster than hunger, and contaminated water is a silent killer. Shelter is next. Over $8,500 went into creating a durable, secure living space. Instead of portable options, I invested in upgrading an underground basement with reinforced walls, ventilation systems, and thermal insulation. This space is designed to withstand extreme weather and provide long-term safety. Power is often overlooked, but it's a game-changer during blackouts or conflict. I spent $4,000 on solar-powered generators, rechargeable batteries, and portable power banks. These tools not only keep lights and essential devices running, but also give me the ability to communicate in emergencies. Medical emergencies don't wait for a convenient time. That's why $2,000 went into medical supplies. From trauma kits and over-the-counter medications to antibiotics and bandages, I've built a comprehensive kit. I also invested in training. Knowing how to use these supplies is just as important as having them. Communication is key when disaster strikes. For $1,500, I purchased a set of two-way radios, a satellite phone, and emergency signal devices. Staying informed and connected can mean the difference between survival and chaos. Finally, I allocated $1,500 for self-defense. This includes non-lethal tools like pepper spray and personal alarms, as well as basic protective gear. In uncertain times, safety is paramount. Altogether, this little over $20,000 investment is designed to ensure survival for at least a year, no matter what happens. Is it expensive? Yes. Is it complete? No. However, when the alternative is being unprepared, the cost becomes secondary. Better safe than sorry, right? Not everyone has $20,000 to spend, and that's okay. Start small. Here are 3 tips to begin your preparedness journey. 1. Focus on essentials first: water, food, and shelter. 2. Research and prioritize based on your location and potential risks. 3. Practice using your gear. Knowledge is as critical as resources. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our store for top-rated survival gear. Your safety is worth every penny. Prepare today for a safer tomorrow.